This 2012 Hyundai Elantra is brought to you by A Lot of Used Cars LLC. Let us help you get financed, we make it easy. 2012 Hyundai Elantra GLS sedan in excellent condition, still under Hyundai factory powertrain warranty. Runs and drives like new. Strong 4-cylinder 1.8-liter engine and automatic transmission. 38 mpg on highway. Cloth front bucket seats with 6-way adjusters. 60/40 split fold-down rear seat. Telescoping steering wheel with steering audio controls. Power windows, power door locks, power door mirrors, remote key fob for keyless entry, cruise control, 4-wheel ups, daytime running lights, tinted windows, upgraded 17-inch UUT, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, FM stereo with CD, MP3 player, XM satellite radio, iPod, USB aux input jacks, Bluetooth, hands-free phone system with voice recognition. Too much to list? Call or text with questions. Clean title, no accidents, 2-owner car, 2-year emissions already passed. Visit us at alotofusecars.com.